חצי דקה הקשבה בבקשה. תסביר.
Okay, so hello and welcome to the Stockton Cave Spa. So we will divide you in two groups, yeah? The first group is going with me and the second group with my father. Okay? Okay, so before we enter, I would like to give you just a few information. So the whole cave system is approximately 6 kilometers long, but our way is just around 3 kilometers. So we walk about 1 hour and a half, standing like this. The temperature in the cave is around 12 degrees Celsius. The path is somewhere very slippery, so you have to walk carefully, okay? Just walk carefully. We will cross the bridge, which is 45 meters above the river. Is there anybody who is afraid of the height? If you're afraid of the height, you have to cross the bridge quickly, yeah? Yeah. There are many stairs.